Right, morning lads. Just a little review today for you. This is a little magnet thing that I got off eBay. Costs £6, delivered from China. Took a couple of weeks, but all I've done is screwed it in the end of a stick, stuck it on, and to collect your balls, if you've got a bad back like I have, it is great. I'll just tilt this down a bit. Right then, as you can see, a lot of balls all around here in the catch box. All I do is basically drag it around. Once you get a few on it, just done it in the catch box. Right then, there you go. So £6 off eBay. Great little tool and really saves your back. Right, thanks lads.